Hey Crazy Cuties, welcome to my channel. Yes, another makeup tutorial or eyeshadow tutorial, whatever you want to call it. It's just focusing on the eyes only, not the face or anything like that, because I do makeup therapy videos, so it's just that you see what I constantly do on my face constantly. Nothing really changes except for the blush with the lips or the highlight, depending on my mood. But yeah, this is what I came up with and everything, and I really, really, really do like this makeup. I am using two indie brands. One is Delancey, hope I'm pronouncing that one right. It's the Mary Blessing Blue Makeup Palette, and this is what it looks like. And I could tell you one thing, the formula is really, really nice, and I do like it. And then I am using a single eyeshadow on my eyes, which you'll see the shimmer, which is so pretty, and I really like it. It is the Klarity Kosmetics and Tropical Waters. It's a foil press pigment, so it's puts a nice high shine to it, not metallic or anything like that. It's just a nice high shine, basically. And but it has a smoother consistency than the shimmer slash or metallic. It's just a really nice shadow, and I really do like this one. I am definitely going to get more of the Klarity Kosmetics. But the inspiration for this eye look was like ocean, basically. And surprisingly, the shades I did pick was basically the oceans, especially with this one, Tropical Waters. And this was one of what I picked and everything. So I'm very excited about it. So you're gonna see what I use like right there, and yeah. So I hope you do enjoy the video. If you do, make sure to hit the like button, and also make sure to hit the subscribe button if you want to be part of the Crazy Cuties clan, and also make sure to hit the notification bell so you can be notified of any new videos. So like I said, I hope you enjoyed the video, and yeah.